Hello, good afternoon. This is Rafael from Novastar. Welcome to the trade show for Novastar and Pixel Hill. All right, this is our latest product, MX6000 Pro, and we'd like to introduce each of the input cards and output cards here. Yeah. For this area, this is for the input cards. We actually have 8 input cards. Each of the input cards can support a 8K. And this is our latest input cards with the feature of ST2110, which is designed for the broadcasting industry. And for this part, we get outputs. And each of the output card can support 2 4K. So totally, you will support 4 8K, which means the maximum loading capacity of this device is 16K. While all the output cards using the fiber output, so you need a fiber converter to load the LED displays. All right. Now here comes to the VMP software. Please look here. Yeah, you can come here. I'll give a demonstration. This is the software that I'm using for this device, and it's pretty intuitive. And what action or possible action you've done in this software, the LED video will give you immediate feedback. So this is quite different from the traditional one, the Novastar and the VCAN. So we can use this software to control all the devices. I would like to give you a brief introduction for this software. We can look at the workflow. The first one is layout, which means you can lay out the LED display by connecting different cabinets. For example, you can firstly close open mapping and then drag the Ethernet cables to connect the LED panels. And it's free wiring without the rectangle limitation anymore. And here we still got like the NCP files and the information for each panels and cabinets. And also we can do some of the position changing actions here. We also got a cabinet setting for like test different cabinets. And here we comes to the source management. Once you set up the LED video wire, you will have to give a video source so that the LED wire can be light up. All right, you can simply just drag the input source to the canvas, and then you can observe the source information here and change the ED/ID, and also give the override for the info frame. Also, our processor and receiving cards can support HDR, so you can set HDR in here. And here comes to my favorite part. Here is the correction. VMP is so intuitive that, and when you give the an action for the seams correction or the modules correction, you will give immediate feedback for you. For example, if you have the seams between different panels or the modules, you can use this function to adjust the brightness of the seams. So it will give you the immediate feedback on the LED video wire. This is so much convenient than what we can do in Novastar. And we have the modules for different batches. We can also use the function to change the color of different modules and panels. Okay, here comes the video processing. And this is also my favorite part. We can replace the color. For example, I want to replace the red to the blue. This software will process this color without changing the video source itself. But what you see in the LED video will change. Okay, here comes the 4th channel correction here. We can also use this function to change the color and also give you the curves here. And if you're an artist and you have the 3D LUT file, you can load the 3D LUT file into our software, and the process will give the LED world a vivid image. Right. Okay, now here's come the screen settings. All the functions that you can find here is to make the LED world look even better. For example, LED image booster, which is a must-have in the NCP file. So we will integrate the image booster into the NCP file so that you can use it when you get the LED panels. And here we got calibration and thermal compensation. Thermal compensation is like to calibrate the hot panels with those green colors in the middle of the panels. All right. And here we got the preset. This function is used for when you are not on site, you want to make a solution for the clients. You can firstly use the offline mode to make the preset, and then when you're on site, you just input the preset you have so that you can quickly solve the problem. And last one is the monitor. I will go with the online mode. So all the input cards and output cards you can see is also loaded in this machine. I also got the different functions to monitor the LED video walls. Yeah, I think that's all about the VMP software what we have. And if you want more information, please check out our official website, or you can Google Novastar.